Right, I did talk about Solana yesterday, and it seems like Solana is making an amazing pattern right now. So we do have an inverse head and shoulder. We have a break of the ascending triangle as well. So that's actually quite bullish. Okay, this is looking to actually go up to $62, and I've talked about it Solana in yesterday's video that you had this moving ascending triangle right here. You might even come down a little bit if Bitcoin actually decides to go down. We might see this one coming down, but I highly doubt. You're making some very bullish pattern right now for Solana at the moment, and there's a good chance that you look for Solana to go from there to there to $62, and that's going to be a price appreciation from this point to that point, like a 39% move to the upside. And one more thing that I want to point out after the ascending triangle on the daily is that you do have the break of this inverse head and shoulder as well. So this was the left shoulder, the head here, the right shoulder right over there. And I do think it's right at the neckline. So this actually does make it a nice, good investing opportunity perhaps, or maybe just come down a little bit to $42.82 as well. But keep in mind, I do think that these three black rows and the green candle that you saw is known as a bearish three line strike, and it actually means that the pattern is bearish and it's going to continue way more to the downside. So I just gotta wait for Bitcoin to retrace. In my opinion, this can even come down just because of the retracement back to 37.7, and that could be an amazing entry opportunity again before it doesn't move to the upside. So keep a huge stop loss down at 34.6, and 34.6 shouldn't be taken. That's the morning star as well. And if you do come to 34.65, I do think you're going to have deeper retracement down, maybe to $25 as well. That's it for this Ethereum. So it's not Ethereum, man, Solana. All right, let's move on to the next coin, Luna.